Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have an Excel tutorial for you. We'll be diving into the world of Excel function, and in particular we will be exploring the versatile round functions. Alright, let's jump right in. The round functions in Excel is a powerful tools that allow you to round number to a specific number of decimal places. It's especially handy when you are dealing with financial data, measurement, or any situation where appreciation is crucial. Okay, now we are gonna start with the sentence of the round functions. The sentence of the round functions, if I say here the round and use here the round, and here first one is the number. So this is the number you want to round, then the next one is the number digit. This is the number of decimal places to which you want to round the number. Okay, let's select this number, then use the number of digit. If I say this will be the 1, then close it with the 0, and here we got it. Now this is the result, and if I drag it down, now here we got after the decimal it is the 1 number. Now if I want to change, instead of the 1, if I say this will be the 0, then hitting OK. Now we have a dozen like after the decimal is doesn't have the any digit in there. So if I drag it down, now you can find it gives you the round number after the decimal, or it doesn't have any number after the decimal. Okay, so that is for today's tutorial on the Excel round functions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.